This is the Secretlab MAGNUS Desk, and unlike those other boring desks out there, this desk has special powers. Let's talk about it. So Secretlab has been one of the leading premium gaming chair companies in the space for quite a while now. Their chairs are generally on the more expensive side, but there's also a noticeable difference between the quality of a Secretlab chair and a $100 to $200 gaming chair. So when Secretlab announced that they would be launching their first ever desk, naturally a lot of eyebrows were raised. As the name implies, the desk is built with its own magnetic ecosystem. What that means is instead of having to use stuff like Velcro zip ties and adhesive strips to manage your cables, you can use modular magnetic accessories to handle that. So for example, you can use these magnetic cable anchors to hold down cables on your desk, or you can use these cable sheaths to discreetly run your cables from the floor up to your desk. All of this is possible because the desk literally is made of steel. I should clarify, it's not 100% steel. The legs and framing are steel, but as for the actual tabletop, it's primarily wood with a thin metal casing around the top and sides. This is a good thing because it drastically reduces the weight of the desk, which would make it a nightmare to set up and move around. Speaking of setup, like every Secretlab product, this desk was well packaged and everything was clearly labeled, making this a really easy desk to assemble. With the help of my unpaid team, we had this desk put together in about 40 minutes. Once you actually get this desk assembled, the first thing you'll notice is how minimalistic the desk is. It's got its own style, but it doesn't dominate the look, which means it will fit in with just about any room or setup design. It also gives you a ton of space. It's 59 inches long and it's got great depth at 26.2 inches. That's really important for those who want to use this as a gaming desk because you ideally want a lot of space for your mouse to work with. It also has a full-size Leatherette Desk Mat that has a magnetic layer underneath. So not only will this mat perfectly fit the dimensions of your desk, but because of its magnetic ability, it's not going to slide around your desk. I should note that this desk mat is not a substitute for a mouse pad, especially if you are gaming. The reason Lou from Unbox Therapy was struggling so bad with his aim in his gaming demonstration is because he literally was using this Leatherette desk pad as his mouse. Don't get me wrong, this pad is soft, it's smooth, and it's sexy, but for anything more than just browsing the web, please, for the love, get yourself a mouse pad. If you don't have one, I'll link to the one I use down below in the video description, and I absolutely love it. Now, my absolute favorite part of this desk is the cable management tray that comes built in. You'll notice from the side of the desk that there's actually a gap towards the back. That's not there just for design. The back strip of your desk is actually a panel that opens up, giving you direct access to your cable management tray. And that tray is completely covered in the front, meaning you can just dump in your cables and nobody sees the crazy mess. And because that door leaves a gap when closed, your cables for things like your keyboard or your mouse can just run right into the box, allowing the back of your desk to stay clean and free of any cables. You still have access to the tray via the back and sides, or if you need front access, there is a magnetic panel that you can easily pop on and off. And it's a pretty big area inside the tray, big enough that really all you need to do is run one power cable up from your floor to your desk, and from your tray, you can just plug in a power strip, and then all of your, accessories can plug right into there. Folks, I can't tell you how huge this is, especially for people like me who are constantly changing out accessories on their desk setup. Yes, you can use Velcro or adhesive strips to make for good cable management, but those are generally used as long-term solutions, and things like adhesive strips have the potential to potentially damage your desk because you are ripping them off all the time. With something like a magnetic clip, if you don't like the position of a particular cable after using it for a week, you can just simply pick up the clip and snap it somewhere else. With more common clips like these, which I love, once you stick that adhesive back to the desk, it's there. It's not meant to keep moving around. Now, cable management isn't the only benefit of a magnetic ecosystem. Secretlab also has accessories such as a magnetic headphone hanger, which I unfortunately do not have, but is something that Secretlab sells separately on their website. What I do have is Secretlab's own magnetic RGB strip. With the Mag RGB strip, as they call it, it has magnetic clips across the whole strip, allowing you to easily move the lighting strip to multiple positions. The position that Secretlab recommends for this RGB strip is to place it underneath the gap pointing towards the back so that the light bounces off the back panel. Don't get me wrong, it looks cool close up, but it doesn't quite pop the way I would like it to. But I found that if you snap it to the very back and have it face up, you can see here that even in a fairly well lit room, the RGB is very noticeable. And yes, that is the RGB strip behind me in that very position. The RGB lighting is an add-on accessory that is not included with the desk, and it's priced the same as Elgato's light strip at $59 US. The lighting is diffused, which looks really good, and it comes with a wireless remote that allows you to sort through various color patterns. So it's not just a cheap $15 strip with magnets on it, it's actually a really high quality strip. If you are like me, your biggest concern looking at this desk is its stability. The last thing we want is to have our desk wobble while we are working and gaming. I should note that every desk, unless it's literally bolted to the wall, has some type of wobble. Even my super heavy countertop from IKEA, which sits on huge drawers, has some wobble if I try to shake it. But when I'm just going about my normal work and even gaming, it's super still. So how does the Secretlab desk perform? Pretty well, actually. There are 3 advantages this desk has over your typical desk. First is its weight. Because this thing is made primarily out of steel, it's naturally not going to want to move around much. Second, because your cable tray box is accessible from the top, you don't need to space it away from the wall to make room for cables like you would with a normal desk. The Secretlab Magnus can rest right up against the wall using the wall as further stability. In my case, I have some floor trim in the way, and that means I can't stick my desk flush up against the wall. Again, this is where a modular magnetic ecosystem comes into play. Secretlab sells these magnetic bumpers as an add-on that you can pop on the back, allowing those bumpers to rest up against the wall. So when all is set up correctly, you shouldn't see much wiggle from this desk. By the way, if you see an accessory on this desk throughout the video that sticks out to you and you want to grab it and throw it on your setup, I will be linking to all of those products down below. It's also worth noting that this desk was designed with Secretlab chairs in mind. With a default desk height of 29 inches, your armrests on your Secretlab chair can sit flush with your desk, which is a big ergonomic win. They do have the ability to raise your desk an additional 2 centimeters, but unfortunately no way to lower the height under the 29 inches, which may be a disadvantage if you are a shorter person. If you are concerned about this, I would suggest measuring your current height of your desk just to kind of see what that difference would look like. There is a lot to love about this desk, but that doesn't mean there aren't some drawbacks. First, and probably the biggest in my opinion, is the price. Just the desk is $449 US. Right now, that includes the nice Leatherette Desk Mat, but that is supposedly because it's part of a launch sale promo. Normally, the desk mat would sell for an additional $79. I suspect that the desk mat will always be included and that they bundle this as a way to add a little bit of urgency to the purchase. There are also Velcro fastening strips, 5 of them to be exact, that are included with the desk. But all the other magnetic accessories I've mentioned are an additional purchase. $45 will get you 3 red magnetic strips, 2 cable sheaths, and 10 additional Velcro fastening strips. Those 4 magnetic bumpers you can use in case your desk can't sit flush with the wall, also an added cost. And we've already established that the RGB strip is an extra $59 if you want that as well. I'm fine with having things like the RGB strip and a headphone hanger be an additional purchase because they aren't really essential to the desk's core functionality. However, the bumpers and the desk mat should always be included. If you were to buy this desk right now, along with the magnetic cable management accessories, you would be looking at around $500 for the desk. I understand that the desk is using steel, which, increases production costs as well as shipping costs, but we're still talking about $500 here. That's not exactly a cheap desk for most people, especially when you factor in that you can get a motorized standing desk in that same price range. One of the major criticisms of the Secretlab Magnus desk is that it doesn't have standing capabilities. Now, I'm sure Secretlab will eventually introduce a standing model at a slightly higher cost, maybe call it the Magnus Pro, I don't know, but they can offset a lot of this criticism right now by including the magnetic accessories, even if it were just temporary, to really show people the beauty of the magnetic ecosystem and get them hooked, something that these standing desks do not have. Having said all of that, for $450, you're still getting a very sturdy and stylish desk that has a fantastic cable management tray built in. Even with no magnetic accessories, you can still have great looking cable management with almost no effort. You can always buy the magnetic accessories later, or you can find alternative solutions. It's not just Secretlab magnets that work on this desk. You can grab some magnets from your fridge even and pin on a cheap $15 light strip that you got off Amazon if you really want to save some money. It's a luxury desk, and I would say that if you have the budget to drop on a good desk that is going to last you for a very, very long time, this is a purchase I feel good about recommending, assuming standing is not something that's important to you while you're gaming or working, and you want easy cable management. I'll link to the desk below for you to check out, and full disclosure, Secretlab did send this desk and the accessories out to me for me to review. It's not a sponsored video by Secretlab. They agreed that I could be brutally honest in my review, and they have no approval or review privileges in this whole process of making the video. In fact, you are watching the video at the same time they are. Enough what I think, I want to know what you think. Is this a desk you could see yourself getting? Also, feel free to drop any questions that you have about the desk, and I will do my best to answer them. You can also catch me in the Tech Audit TV Discord, which is a free community where I hang out with the most hardcore Tech Audit TV fans, and we talk all things tech and setups. So click that Discord link down in the description to get access to the community. Until next time, my name is Brandon Hassler, and this is Tech Audit TV.